bunny with bouncing feet. C is for cat, meowing hello. D is for dinosaur, stomping so slow. E is for elephant, waving her trunk. F is for frog, leaping kerplunk. G is for goat, who climbs so high. Let's sing these letters, don't be shy. Let's go on ABC adventures. Learning letters is so fun. Sing with me and soon you'll see our alphabet journey's just begun. H is for hippo, big and round. I is for igloo, icy on the ground. J is for jelly bean, sweet and bright. K is for kite, soaring out of sight. L is for lion, king with a roar. M is for mouse, sneaking across the floor. N is for nest, safe in the tree. Now sing these letters along with me. Let's go on ABC adventures. Learning letters is so fun. Sing with me and soon you'll see our alphabet journey's just begun. Letters everywhere, in books, in songs, and in the air. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Our alphabet friends are pretty neat. O is for octopus, wiggling about. P is for penguin, waddling out. Q is for queen, regal and fair. R is for rabbit, hopping everywhere. S is for sun, warm and bright. T is for turtle, slow but polite. Learning letters, happy as can be. Sing them loudly, sing with me. Let's go on ABC adventures. Learning letters is so fun. Sing with me and soon you'll see our alphabet journey's just begun. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, sweet music plays. W for whale, swimming free. X is for xylophone, come play with me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, stripes all down. We learned our letters A to Z.